So now that we've learned a little bit how to manipulate color in InDesign, let's talk about color inspiration. You are probably familiar with this look. This is from Design Seeds. You've probably seen these on Pinterest. And basically these are color palettes created by photos. You can do the exact same thing, and you don't even have to steal these from Design Seeds. So let's talk about ways you can do that and ways you can find color inspiration. So of course we've talked about how you can use the eyedropper tool in InDesign to pull colors from a photo. So that's a simple method. Take a photo, bring it in, use those colors as inspiration. You can take this one step further by using the Adobe Color CC app. This is an app you can download, use on your phone, use on your iPad. This, for example, is my most recent image, and I used Adobe Color and used a little photo of my desk to create this color panel. And so you can go out into nature, you can go out throughout your life and take some photos, load your color themes. This is a color theme that I just created using the creation method, picking some of my favorite colors, my orange and my blue. And so to create, you come into the creation portion. Notice that I'm logged on using my Adobe ID, and Adobe IDs are free, and if you have a Creative Cloud subscription, these themes you create will then sync with InDesign Creative Cloud. This one with the triangle is kind of your keyframe color. So all the colors change in relation to it. So let's choose this blue-green. And here I can change my color rules. Create in a monochromatic, a triad, a complementary, a compound color, creating shades. So if I find what I like, and I kind of dig that, let's see, what do I like? Ooh, compound is pretty cool. So I can take this and save it. You can also load images and create the same look from an image. That'd be similar to using the app. And once we save it, let's call this my compound blue. I'm going to save it in my library. And I'll show you later that this exact same color theme came over via my Adobe ID into InDesign. Another source of color inspiration that I enjoy using is Pantone. This is just Pantone.com. If you go to colors, you can if you go to color intelligence, you can find the color of the year, look at the fashion report, cross-reference colors, and I find it very interesting to read. And the thing is, you're going to see these colors then come up. It kind of gives you an idea of what's trending. So we're just going to kind of sync our cloud. And there's my compound blue, there's my desk image, and there's my favorite colors color theme, all in my Creative Cloud library. We're not going to get too in-depth into that, but if you have a Creative Cloud account, this is a feature that you definitely will enjoy using. Let's take another look at how you can pull colors from this photo. And to do that, we've already used the eyedropper tool. We're going to use the color theme tool. Looks like the eyedropper, but when I click down in my photo, I get a series of colors based on this image. I can then take that, choose which kind of color story I like, and I'm usually a fan of the color one, and add it to swatches. So there's my colorful theme swatches pulled from that photo. Swatches are automatically created, then I can then begin to use and apply. So those are just some creative ways to get some different color stories going with your designs.